Welcome to the Niagara Falls Fireworks Cruise, where the sky becomes a canvas of vibrant colors and the falls roar with power and beauty. Join us aboard the Hornblower Boat Cruise for an unforgettable experience. Step aboard the state-of-the-art catamaran boat, designed to get you up close and personal with the magnificent Niagara Falls. Our evening cruise offers a front-row seat to the mesmerizing light show above the falls. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey up the Niagara River on the Canadian side in style. With music playing and an onboard licensed bar offering local craft beer and wines, there's no better way to experience the magic of Niagara Falls at night. Cruise past the American and Bridal Falls, and marvel at the illuminated Canadian Horseshoe Falls towering above you. Our tour provides a safe and comfortable viewing experience, perfect for families and individuals alike. And don't worry about getting wet. Our light mist tour ensures a less intense experience, and each guest will receive a complimentary mist poncho to keep dry. Plan your visit to coincide with our fireworks display, happening on select evenings throughout the year. Check our schedule for dates and times. Don't miss your chance to witness the beauty and power of Niagara Falls from the best seat in the house. Book your tickets now for an unforgettable experience aboard the Niagara Falls Fireworks Cruise. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels.